Guangdong Xingqiu Aluminum Co. Limited, established in 1992, covers an area of over 30,000 square meters with total investment exceeding Rm 200 million. The company has strong technical force, with over 300 employees, including over 20 modern management people and over 10 senior technicians. The company has aluminum profiles production lines that are advanced in the country, extruding, anodizing, electrocoating, power coating, mold, wood grain in such large workshops, and with advanced testing instrument of various kinds and perfect testing measures. Computerized management is adopted in production and sales, and advanced management modes of large overseas aluminum profiles enterprises are introduced in. The company relies on senior talents, advanced facilities, and testing instrument perfect and efficient management system for stringent control over every stage, from raw materials entering the company to finished products leaving the company, for constant improvement of product quality. Main products of the company include aluminum alloy architectural profiles and industrial profiles with annual production capacity exceeding 20,000 tons. Our products are sold throughout the country. The company has independent rights of export and has perfect marketing systems and senior marketing people.